In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Australian dollar as it's moving higher today. Australian dollar coming off a 2-month closing low in the previous session to trade higher today, up just under 0.5% at the 0.669 level. So negating some of the selling pressure, but really for the month of October, the Australian dollar has experienced some pretty heavy selling as overall the general trend has been lower. But today we're seeing some higher price action. And some of the driving factors today, I think a couple things influencing the market. Number one, regional data. New Zealand reporting trade data overnight, which was a little stronger than anticipated. So I think that that's stemming or at least shifting sentiment slightly. Couple that with RBA discussions about policy moving forward and, again, evaluating some of the data. And I think that that's another factor contributing to the higher price action, at least for today. Now, looking at the general trends, the Australian dollar is coming off a 1.5-year high in end of September, early October. But really, over the last 3 weeks now, experiencing some pretty heavy selling pressure, moving us back down to these levels around that 0.668, 669 level, which corresponds with the middle of the range for the year, really, when you look at the price action. So we're kind of falling back into the middle of the price range for the Australian dollar for 2024. And during the selling pressure and looking at the overall markets today, mixed bag really when you look at the price action in the FX quadrant. We're looking at the euro and the British pound a little lower, as well as the yen, and we're seeing higher prices or higher levels for the Australian dollar as well as the New Zealand dollar. So you're seeing again that region benefiting, I think, from some of the short-term data as well as the outlook moving forward. So Australian dollar coming off a 2-month low yesterday to trade higher in today's session.